evening, and thank you so much for coming to open house tonight, and thank you for stopping by my classroom this evening. My name is Miss Glover, and although I'm so sorry that I was not able to meet you here in person, I hope that this video serves as a way for you to put a name to a face, get to know me a little bit, as well as a little bit about both CAP chemistry and academic chemistry. So just a little bit of background about me. I graduated from Texas Tech University with a degree in elementary education. My first 2 years of teaching, I was at Kilpatrick Elementary teaching fourth grade, followed by second grade math and science. And then I spent the past 3 years at George Bush High School in Fort Bend ISD teaching both academic and pre-AP chemistry. I am so excited to be a Mustang this year and be a part of this amazing Taylor High School staff. My dad graduated from Taylor High School back in 1985, so it's a lot of fun being able to walk in the same classrooms and hallways that my dad walked in when he was young. So just for a little bit of background on what you can expect this course to be like, for both CAP and academic, we do a lot of hands-on group activities, a lot of little labs, things that we get the kids doing some more hands-on learning as opposed to sitting and filling in notes. While we do have some notes days, we like to mix it in with a lot of hands-on activities so that the students learn better. For both CAP and academic chemistry, a lot of our work will be submitted on Canvas. Canvas is the easiest way for students and teachers to make sure that nothing gets lost in translation, no papers get lost or anything like that. So should you or your child have any questions regarding Canvas or any issues, please don't hesitate to contact me throughout the year. Chemistry can be a pretty tough course, so it's important that your child stays on top of their homework as well as reviewing their notes at home. Should any issues or questions arise, all of the chemistry teachers, both CAP and academic, work really closely together to make sure that we have tutorial options offered on different days at different times of the day. So should your child need to attend any sort of tutorials, the best place for them to see the schedule is going to be on our Canvas page, and they can go to any teacher's tutorials for CAP or for academic chemistry. If you ever have any questions or concerns regarding your child's progress in my class, whether it be in CAP or academic chemistry, please feel free to send me an email and we can possibly set up a phone call or a parent conference if need be so that we can work together and make sure that your child is successful in chemistry. Once again, thank you so much for stopping by this evening. I'm really sorry that I wasn't able to meet you here in person tonight, but I hope that this video served as a good replacement so that you could get to know me as well as my course guidelines and expectations, contact information, and things like that. I'll be putting my email at the end of this video. Please feel free to reach out with any questions, comments, or concerns regarding your child's progress in my class, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. After you've watched this video, please do me a huge favor and fill out the Google form that you scanned on the QR code. That will let me know that you dropped by this evening so that I can make sure that I reach back out to you and thank you for coming by. And I would say chatting with me, but we didn't get a chance to chat. So again, if you need to send me an email regarding anything specific, please feel free to do so. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll keep in touch.